takes his place. A gentle calm upon his face. The echoes of 1,000 years live softly in the words he hears. He lights the flame with steady hands, a bridge between the old demands and all the hopes the present brings. A song carried on ancient wings. With every prayer he speaks aloud, he honors those before the crowd. Their stories woven through each line, a thread of wisdom kept divine. Yet even as the teachings rise, he feels the weight behind the ties, a need to keep the roots alive and still let modern hearts survive. He stands between the past and now, a living promise in each vow, to hold tradition close and true, while shaping it for what is new.